guys, welcome to Short and Simple Recipes. Today we are going to make white sauce pasta. So for that I've taken 2 spoons butter. I've taken 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mixed it well. Then I will add half a glass milk in batches so that it does not form lumps. I will add some spices according to taste, like black pepper, oregano and chilli flakes with salt. Cheese is optional, but you can add it if you want. And mix everything well. Now I will add some sautéed capsicum and mix it. Now at last add your pasta. You can add any pasta which is already boiled. You can even use macaroni and mix everything well. And our white sauce pasta is ready.